Hi my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you recommend extensions as your browse setting on in Mozilla Firefox browser. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Go to this and click here. Here the three bar icon will enter and the settings option I have clicked that. We will find the things scrolling in below side, scrolling Firefox update performance browsing side that I want to work these things. So here the recommend extensions as you want. So I will mark this, and if you want to learn more click here, then you will get the all kinds of support. So here the https support.mozilla.org. see the recommendations from Firefox. So here the things I will get all kinds of information. So here the table of contents that have or that reveal the things, kinds of features and extension are recommended. That means the browser, what kinds of extension that has been recommended, how are features and extensions selected, how many features that have, and who benefits from these recommendations. See, and the related concepts of all the things of details has been explained in this site. So now see, in this way we can set the recommend extension as you browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.